Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just made my apple cider vinegar drink and I'm about to work out. Well, actually I should say good afternoon because it's really the afternoon, but it still feels like the morning to me. This last week or so I've been kind of like just like waking up when I want to, just like doing all that, but I don't want to do that. I want to be more productive. But yeah, I'm about to do a 5-minute ab workout. I'm actually doing the Chloe Ting challenge, which I usually do at night, and today I think I have to do like 4 videos, which is gonna be intense, but definitely worth it for the results that I want. After I do the 5-minute workout, I'm going to be doing some editing, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of cleaning because my room is looking a little messy, so I want to clean that. I'm doing this 5-minute ab workout. I do this whenever I'm feeling lazy, and it really does like help like me feel the burn a little bit. But yeah, let me just get right into the ab workout. Sweating. That was only 5 minutes. She does have harder options to like the workout that she's doing, so I try to do like the advanced option when I can, since it's only 5 minutes. But I feel good. I'm just gonna drink my apple cider vinegar now. So I'm taking a break from editing and I'm just gonna get started with like tidying up my room a little bit. I know there's certain things that I just won't be able to put away because I just don't really know what I'm going to do with them yet. Like most of the stuff right here, like I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this stuff. But this part should be pretty easy. I want to show you guys a new product that I just got that I'm super excited about. I was watching this like freckle friendly makeup tutorial because obviously I have freckles, and this girl was using this product from Flower. I think it's called Flower, and she basically like uses this like after she applies foundation. Like if you have freckles, you know that when you apply foundation, there's like a cast that kind of goes on your face and like kind of makes your freckles disappear a little bit. So she used this like on her freckles to kind of make them pop again. And this is so amazing. I love this so much. It looks so natural. Like I can dot one on my face right now. And you guys wouldn't even be able to tell. Like this matches my skin perfectly. And I'm glad I found her video because I was gonna get the product Freck to kind of just like help when I do more of like a full coverage, like I still want my freckles to pop. But Freck is expensive and I wasn't sure about the undertone, but this one is perfect. So if you guys are looking for like something super cheap, I think it was like $10 or less. I will leave this in the description box. So I bought this clothing rack like a year ago, and last week I tried to see if it would like work for my room, and it doesn't. I just don't have any room for it. I used to store under my bed, but now I don't want it there. So I'm gonna see if I can find a place for it in my basement or something. wish I could just put these somewhere else. I hate having these to-do lists in my room so much. It annoys me, but the alternative would be to just break them down and build them back up every time I need it, but that's just like, that's a lot. I just finished. Here is a quick overview of everything. Oh my goodness. Let me just set this down over here. I've been really loving this new lip gloss I just got. It's super creamy and like it's not sticky, and it was only $3. Like this is one of like my new favorite glosses. If you guys want, I can film like a favorite lip glosses video. I think I saw Ava Jules film something similar, but she like went out and like bought a bunch of glosses. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna show you guys like all my favorites. If you guys wanna see that, definitely let me know. I'm super hungry. I want food. I was thinking about getting Chick-fil-A because I have this meal card, or like this free meal thingy from them. But I just had it yesterday. But I could also get Popeyes, but the line is insane. Like the Chick-fil-A lines are insane, but they like organize it. The Popeyes line is just like one straight line to like hell. I can't do it. And I'm tired of burgers. Ugh, I got Chipotle the other day and it was so disgusting. I'm not gonna have it for a while. I don't know, but you guys will see what I have because I'll take you guys along, and that will probably be it, like after I get food and stuff. I need to figure this out. Looks like we're going with Shake Shack. So we got the Shake Shack. Hopefully it's good today, because last time I had it, it was disgusting. The bacon tasted, is that a word? The bacon tasted really weird and I just didn't like it. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this little day in my life, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me, and follow me on Instagram. It's at Allyson Boubert, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh my god.